Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to draw Sweet Potato from Plants vs. Zombies 2. So to start off with Sweet Potato, we want to begin with the eyes. Now the eyes are not really ovals, they're almost kind of like a teardrop shape. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curls up, and then it's going to go down, and then it's just going to kind of come back here, and it's going to have like a little bit of a rounded point on it. Now I want to draw that same thing over here. I'm going to leave some space, and I'm just going to draw a line. It's just going to go up, and then it's going to go down, and then it's going to kind of curl around here and come to a point that's kind of rounded. Now inside of here I'm going to draw a circle, and I'm going to leave a little bit open. And then I'm just going to draw another little circle shape inside of here. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to draw my circle shape, and then I'm just going to make the little circle shape inside of there. Now, on the edge of the eye, she has one little eyelash. So I'm going to draw a little line that curves up and then comes back here. And then over here, I'm going to do the same thing. Just go up and then come back down. Now, for her mouth, you want to start here, and you just want to make a little smiley face like this. And then you just want to make a tall smiley face. Just go down and then curl right back up. Then I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curls across right there for the tongue. Now, starting out here, I'm going to make a line that's going to start here, and then I'm going to curl down, and then I'm just going to go right down to here. And then over here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to curve up, and I'm just going to curl it right to about here. Now, starting inside of here, I'm going to draw the top of her. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curls up and in like this. And then I'm going to kind of give it a little bit of a hook shape at the top. And then right here, I'm just going to curl around, and then I'm going to come straight down like this. Then starting here, I'm going to make another little line that just kind of curls in. And then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down, and then it's going to curl around to here. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down, and I'm going to stop right about there. And then I want to do the same thing on this side, and I'm going to curve it to right about there. Now right in here there's going to be some little pieces of dirt, like she's kind of planted in the ground. So I'm going to start by drawing kind of like an oval shape like this. Then I'm going to put another one right behind it. And then one more right here. Then I want to draw a small one right there. And then starting here, I'm going to make a little bit taller one, like this. And there you go, there is your drawing of Sweet Potato from Plants vs. Zombies 2. Now I've got a lot of different little details and stuff to add in here with my colored pencils. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring. Thanks for watching.